Many of you dreamed of studying in the United States, but 2025 changed that dream for thousands. Visa interviews got stricter, stay-back options tightened, and social media vetting became mandatory. Now students are asking, do I have another option? Yes, you do. And it's Germany. Let me explain why Germany could be your best bet for 2026. In 2025, the US Department of Homeland Security rolled out new rules limiting the duration of status, meaning international students may no longer get indefinite visa extensions. From September 2, 2025, all F1 and J1 visa applicants must attend in-person interviews, no waivers. And there's enhanced social media screening for all student visa holders. The uncertainty has hit hard. Students fear long processing times and post-study visa confusion. That's why many are now shifting focus from US to Europe, particularly Germany, a country that's doing the exact opposite. Germany is actively inviting international students. As of 2025, the country hosts over 423,000 international students, a record high, and the number continues to grow each semester. Why? Because education here is affordable, transparent, and career-focused. Public universities charge low or zero tuition fees for most programs. Living expenses hover around 900 to 1200 euros a month, nearly half of what students spend in US cities. And post-study, Germany offers one of the most generous stay-back programs in Europe, 18 months after graduation to find a job. In 2025, Germany also introduced the Gratis Visa initiative, waiving visa processing fees for certain categories of students applying through certified educational programs. It's a clear signal. Germany wants international students. Germany isn't just a great study destination, it's a long-term career platform. Over 80% of graduates find employment within months of finishing their degree. The government actively connects universities with industries, especially in engineering, IT, data science, healthcare, and renewable energy. And the country's shortage occupation list gives international graduates an upper hand when applying for work permits or permanent residency. Compare that to the US, where optional practical training or OPT is under constant policy review. So, if you are planning for 2026, start researching universities now. Many accept English-taught programs. Prepare your blogged account, around 11,904 euros per year as per 2025 updates. Learn basic German. It boosts both social and career prospects. Keep an eye on Gratis Visa eligibility. It can save you over 75 euros in processing fees. And start applications early. Seats fill up fast in public universities. The message is simple. While the US is putting up walls, Germany is opening doors. It's not just an alternative, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to study affordably, live safely, and build a career in one of the world's strongest economies. Your study abroad dream does not end because of new visa rules. It just gets a new destination. Make 2026 the year you say, "Hello, Germany." And if you're planning your move, you don't have to do it alone. With Amber, you can find verified student accommodations near top German universities, compare options, get help with queries, and book your accommodation in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on studying abroad. That's all for today. Bye.